Hey y'all, hey, it's you, and I'm back for another video. Today we're going to be making this attraction oil, deadly attraction oil that you can wear. You can add a little of it to your bath. Can put it on your lover's shoes, on your lover's wallet, anything that your lover carries all the time. And this will enhance your relationship, enhance the attractiveness in your relationship. If you're not in a relationship, it will bring loving vibes, bring people who have pure loving intentions. It will bring people who have money, who can afford to gift you, because we are givers. Well, I'm a giver, that's why I added that. And I'm usually falling for people that don't give back. So yeah, this oil has a lot of benefits. Like I said, it's deadly, cleanses a lot of energy, brings love and dreams, attracts lust, sex magic. It's a purifier for relationships and past relationship traumas. It breaks hexes and curses from your relationship that you've been in, or from your love life. Like I basically did a going away spell back in June, and the effects are still very potent. So basically this is kind of like a reversal oil as well, to remove hexes, uncrossings, and whatnot from your relationship. So this video, we are making a deadly attraction oil. Lots of ingredients. Here's what you'll need. It's so much stuff, I don't even know where to start. But it is a deadly attraction oil. So, got my avocado oil, sugar. This is the bottles that I'm going to be putting it in. Some marjoram, some mint, fresh cinnamon sticks and eucalyptus leaves, rose buds and rose leaves, tea tree oil, coarse sea salt, witch hazel, dill weed, peppermint, lavender, orange peels, basil leaves, some potpourri, which is apple and cinnamon, whole oregano. I got my smudge, my Palo Santos right there to smudge, sandalwood, rose oil, almond oil, some selenite wands, and clear quartz and black tourmaline for cleansing negative energy. Got my candle to light, 7 blossom, chamomile, the littlest ittiest bittiest bit of wormwood. Then we have angelica root, pennyroyal, fresh peppermint. Well, this is thyme, fresh thyme, arnica flowers, safflowers, cloves, lemon balm. That is another 7 blossom, but I think I'm gonna just use the tea bags. Jezebel root, black salt, and lemongrass. And this is more thyme. I think I said the orange peels. Yeah, so that is our ingredients. I am just going to, this is probably going to be a voiceover, and I'll explain to you everything that I'm putting in over the voiceover because it's so much stuff. So here's my bottle that I'm using from the Dollar Tree. I am going to go ahead and light my candle and cleanse my space. So basically I like to start my rituals off by cleansing my space. So I'm going to light my candle. I am going to use some Palo Santos to cleanse the space as well as my ingredients. And then I'm going to take a black love incense and charge my space again with the black love, and take my my spiritual wand and create a protection circle around me before I do my ritual. So all of the ingredients, I told you guys what I will be putting in, and it is a ton of ingredients that I didn't put in any particular order, but I am going to just run down the line of a few and tell you what I put it in there for. I know I started off with cinnamon, but here on my charts, I started off with the angelica root. So I put in angelica root for protection, blessings from above, and it also removes curses. If you wear angelica root on your person, it helps to protect from illnesses as well. So coronavirus shit is getting real. Then I added basil for love, wealth, sympathy, and protection. It dispels confusion, fears, and weaknesses, drives off hostile spirits, and you can carry it to move forward in a positive manner despite perilous dangers. So yeah, I told y'all I wanted to basically remove hexes from my relationship as well. So then I added chamomile for love, healing, and to reduce stress. You can also add these to satchels to increase the chances for success. Also helps with sleep and meditation and de-stressing yourself. I added cinnamon for spirituality, success. Oh, right there, you guys, you see me cleansing the bottle as well. I smudged the bottle with the black love as well. So you want to cleanse your bottle. So cinnamon I added for spirituality, success, power, protection, love, strength, luck, and prosperity. It raises your protective vibrations and it draws money. It also stimulates your psychic powers. So basically bring enlightenment into your relationship. I added cloves. The magical uses include protection, banishing negative forces, and gaining what is sought. So whatever your intention is, basically helping you to gain it. I added the dill weed for money protection, luck, and lust. Is used in love and protection charms. Effective at keeping away dark forces. Useful for house blessings and removing superstitions. Then I added Jamaican hibiscus, which attracts love. Did I add the Jamaican hibiscus? Now that I'm thinking about it, I don't think I did, but I will go back and add it. A Jamaican hibiscus, attraction for love and lust, divination, and dreams. And you can carry this in your satchel or burn it as an incense to attract love. I added lavender. Magical uses include love, protection, healing, sleep, purification, and peace. Promotes healing from depression. And is believed to preserve chastity when mixed with rosemary, which I did add. And it also helps with sleep and stress. I added lemon balm and lemongrass. So lemon balm helps with love, success, healing, and psychic spiritual development. You can use this in love charms and spells to attract a partner. You can also use it in healing spells and rituals for those who suffer from mental or nervous disorders. Lemongrass is for psychic cleansing and opening, and then lust and for lust potions. Marjoram for cleansing, purification, and dispelling negative energy. You can place it under your pillow to bring revealing dreams or place in a corner of your home for protection. You can also use this in love spells or place in food to strengthen love. Carry for protection or place in money mixtures and sachets to draw wealth. Put in a pinch of a corner in your home each month to attract a husband. Then I have orange pills. Magical uses include love, divination, luck, money, and house and business blessings. You can add this to love satchels to help someone make up their mind. So cleansing the confusion and uncertainty in relationships. I also added oregano for joy, strength, vitality, and added energy. Pennyroyal for magical uses, it includes peace and tranquility. It's carried to avoid sickness or for physical strength and endurance. One to bring, specifically seasickness. One to bring success to your business. used to rid the home of negative thoughts against you. And you can carry this when you're dealing with negative vibrations of any kind. You can also place it on a candle before or during uncomfortable meetings or tarot readings. Peppermint I added to increase the vibrations of the space and increase the intensity of the spell for healing and purification. And it also enhances your prophetic dreams. So again, anything that is going to help me have a different foresight on my relationship. You can also burn it in your new home to clear out sickness and negative energy. And then it says, your magical uses is working to provide the push needed to bring changes to one's life. Definitely a change in my love life. Curry with herbs to boost love and abundant wishes. Then I used pink. Well, I think they was peach, but I used rose buds. And it says divine, emotional, and thinking love. Start with these to build a long-lasting relationship. I added rose petals, actually. It says divine love, close friendship, domestic peace and happiness, and lasting relationships. Great for use in incense, potpourri, or bath magic. Rosemary, carried and used in healing puppets for good health, used in love, lust spells, wands to improve memory, used in dream pillows to prevent nightmares, burned as incense for purification and removing negativity. You can also wear this while reading or complementing tasks to improve memory. And use an infusion of rosemary to wash your hands before any healing magic. You can also use this in your bath. You can use this whole entire oil in your bath. Safflower. You can rub this herb in the inside of your knees to attract exciting sexual encounters. So safflower for sex magic. Sandalwood, to clear out negativity. Burn for purification, protection, healing. You can write your wishes on a piece of driftwood or sandalwood, and it'll make your wishes come true. So sandalwood is good for also aligning your chakras and allowing a better energy flow. It helps with concentration. I added sea salt for purification, grounding protection, and magic rituals. Yeah, basically for cleansing. Sugar for love, spells, and sex magic. Tangerine, tea tree, eliminating confusion and increasing harmony. That speaks for itself, right? Thyme attracts loyalty, affection, and the good opinion of others. Wear a sprig to ward off unbearable grief or provide strength and courage when needed. Burn or hang in the home for banishing protection and attract good health for all occupants. Use in cleansing baths. Prior to working candle magic, using dream pillows to ward off nightmares and ensure restful sleep. Yeah, and you can also always add this for a constant flow of money. If you add it to your baths, put it in a jar or whatever. Witch hazel, chastity and protection, carry to ease grief over a lost love. You can use it to reduce passion, using love spells and any spell to ward off evil. The little bit of wormwood that I had removes anger, stops war, inhibits violent acts, and for protection of the third eye, from the evil eye. So that is all of the ingredients that I put in and their uses. I think I added that apple, cinnamon, potpourri. That which is apple and cinnamon. Apple also attract love, as well as apple seeds is very beneficial if you want to utilize apple seeds. And I'm pretty sure I covered everything else. And avocado acts as a symbol of love. It says an Aztec symbol of love. An avocado tree can live for hundreds of years, and a pair of avocados living and growing together on a tree symbolizes relationship love. The Aztecs also associated with avocado with fertility, recognizing it as a fruit of love, which could act as a natural aphrodisiac. So should increase like sexual stamina. So the last thing I did was just smudge the bottle again to cleanse the bottle again with this Black Love incense, and that's it. So I added my last little ingredients. I'm going to cleanse my bottle also with some moon water, and then let it charge. Today was a great day to make this on 12/21. So that is the moon. That is the attraction oil, you guys. I hope that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Always remember that I love my tribe. Peace.